Good morning, Clay.Thompson here at Guaranty RV Center. Today I'm going to show you one of the latest, newest Northwood Arctic Fox 990 truck campers. The 990 is our most popular model. Come on in, I'll show you why. This one's going to have the optional Fox landing package, large assist handle, so very easy to get in and out of. Looking through here, some of the new arrangements on the new 19 models is the backsplash they're putting in the kitchen. The wood tone colors, really nice. This is going to have the stainless package with the microwave range cover top, stove, 3-burner cooktop, pantry here. One is fixed down below, one is a pull-out with adjustable racks on the top side. Makes it real nice. Went to the one-piece stainless steel sink. This particular unit has the optional dual pane windows, solar on the roof, Kenwood stereo system, overhead cabinetry, all aluminum framed construction, heated enclosed tanks. One of your best all-weather campers made, if not the best. You got a dimmer switch here for the kitchen light area, so we can control the lights here. Plug-ins throughout, up underneath, drawers, under sink area, monitor panel. This one's got the optional built-in television that can swing out, watching it from the bed area, or swing open. And it's locked in there, but swings open so we can watch it from the dinette area too. It's a Jensen RV style television. This has the extender Wi-Fi set up on the roof already, so we don't have to go drill holes on the roof. Notice the cabinetry in the bedroom area, the fantastic fan above the bed, plenty of plug-ins, plenty of 110s, plenty of USBs, and plenty of light switches throughout this whole coach. There's an extended countertop that stores away here in the closet that will make into this area here to be a countertop extension by day and stores in the closet. Has the accordion curtain here to separate the bedroom. Little spice rack, whatnot here. The larger 1 cubic foot refrigerator built big enough to handle a polar bear. It's the Northwood, so it does have the recessed shelf in the freezer with the adjustable shelving. One-piece slide out, full wall slide out, so the refrigerator and the dinette goes out. So it does make into a 6-foot separate bed area too, if we want to turn the dinette into a bed. Drawer below, or cabinet below underneath here, drawer on the other side, storage underneath here. Notice the new flooring that's brand new for the 2019 models. Cup holders on the back of the Dream dinette. Again, the dual pane windows, and then they put a positive lock on the slider for the bathroom this year with a nice big one-piece wet bath. So your toilet, shower is all in one piece. Toilet bolts to the floor, but the shower walls are all one piece there. Very nice. Very large bathroom for a wet bath. Come on outside. This one has the large Carefree power awning, ladder, small rack on top. You know, they show in the brochure a bunch of people on the roof, not afraid to show how strong it is. This has the 2500 watt generator built in. The Titan jacks, probably one of the strongest jacks out there for corner jacks. So we walk around. The magnet catch for the basement door here in the slide out underneath the dinette. It's all heated and closed. That's why the baggage door is nice and thick. insulated baggage door. Big rubber urethane squeegee here to keep the water out when we run the slide outs in. Again, notice the amount of hardware to mount this jack to the corner with a welded plate on the bottom to support that jack. So the jack really isn't handling a whole lot of stress. It's real easy to handle it that way. Big no seam, one-piece wrap all the way around, up to the top down, so there's no seams for extra added areas to create a leak. The diamond plate down the sides, the bumper stops, and notice the new graphic package up front with the Arctic Fox. A little bit different color in the graphics as well on the exterior. Battery tray big enough for 2 batteries, pre-wired and all set up. Big water heater, gas and electric. Big fresh water capacities, big gray and black water capacities. Pre-wired for the solar portable A-frame. 2 big propane tanks. So they're the 2 7-gallon tanks, so we got 14 gallons of propane on a camper. Very large capacities. The diamond plate there to help keep it nice and solid. Access here for your gate valves, battery disconnect switch. Exterior speakers out the back. Storage in the rear bumper, as well as 110 plug-ins. It's kind of a quick walk around on the Arctic Fox of the new 2019. If you have further questions or would like to know a little bit more about it, again, my name is Clay.Thompson with Guaranty RV Center in Junction City, Oregon. Make sure you call me direct at 541-979-1770. I'll get you the full scoop on the Northwood products here. If you have any questions on any other camper models or Northwood product, feel free to give me a call. I'll be happy to work with you. Appreciate it. Have a great day.